Guys, I have to tell you about this product. I got it at Amazon and I really didn't know how well it's going to work. But it's to clean windows. And what you do is you get your window a little wet and you put this in the solution. I'm using just a regular Dawn dishwasher washing liquid. And you wet down your window and it cleans both sides at the same time. And you see how dirty this window is? This window here was exactly the same way. This was one swipe, one clean. Not on both, it did both sides at the same time. Look at that, it's clean. Usually these windows never get clean at the top because I can't reach far enough and I have to wait until he gets the ladder out to clean the top windows. I did this today and he's downstairs asleep. He doesn't even know I'm doing this. I love this product. It has a safety thing that you have to hold on to. It just has a lock here on the back side where you can adjust to your thickness of your window. So it will do single panes, double panes, and triple panes. These are double. And it's working beautifully. I have to set it on 2 for double. And it's fine. Hold on to the thing in case it does come off. You don't want to crash anything below, and you don't want to have to walk all the way downstairs to get it. But it's making my window a breeze to clean, and I have a lot of upstairs windows, and I was tired of hanging out the window to get the ones over there. Don't know if you can see them or not, but those I would have to hang out the window to clean, and I don't have to do that anymore. I love it.